3703 West Fulton, date July 15th, 2022. Making this recording from the roof access of the home. I'm 100 and some feet down from here, looking at a section of 6-inch, possibly 8-inch concrete. Should be a shared common line according to the map. Come around a turn and back into 4-inch diameter pipe. We'll locate this spot on the property. All right. We are sitting at a spot in the backyard about 11 feet deep under the rockery, or right by the rockery fence line, property line. This is where it goes from 6-inch to 4-inch, and we're coming back onto the property into the pipe owned solely by 3703. So we're coming back. The first landmark on this should be a Y joint where some downspouts from the back of the house connect to the line. And there's that Y right there. We're going to go locate this spot. It means my process takes a little longer sometimes, but yeah. So located that Y about 7 feet back off of the rockery, almost right underneath a pillar that holds the deck up. Probably 9 feet deep or so. Locate's bouncing around a little bit, possibly because we're in cast iron there. There was a section that was replaced with cast. But what we are looking for next should be another downspout connection off of the, what are we calling that, southeast corner of the house. And there she is. We're going to locate that guy. Pausing the video. Okay, carrying on here. Got that downspout connection to the sewer line, main trunk sewer line, located about 5 feet deep under the concrete pathway on that east side of the house now. We're going to kind of run parallel with the east side of the house for a bit until our next landmark, which should be the corner of the northeast corner of the house, should be our next landmark where we turn at that northeast corner. And there she is. We'll get a locate on this spot. I'll pause the video again. Continuing the recording here. Located that about 4.5 feet deep on the side of the house. There's a little lawn gnome guy and a tree right there that we're located by. We're going to keep pulling back, and the next landmark's going to be the downspout on the front of the home, and then the kitchen drain connection, and both are very close to each other.